everyone, so today we are going to be doing an Amazon favorites video. I have so many good things to show you guys. A lot of them are pink, but not everything, but be warned, a good amount of them are pink. It is one of my favorite colors, and Amazon is one of the best places to find everything pink. So I'm gonna go through, share with you guys everything that I have, and have links below to where you can get these products as well if you are interested in any of them. Okay, so this first one I'm gonna share with you guys is a little bit large, but I have been loving this, and this is a laptop bag. I had one and I wore it to death, and it was time to get a new one because the zipper broke on it. So I decided I wanted to get myself something very cute, and this definitely ticked all the boxes of what I wanted in a laptop bag. So this is what the actual bag looks like. I love that it is baby pink. It's that faux leather kind of material. It has a handle on the top that you can carry it by, or it does have an adjustable strap where if you want to make it longer and wear it like crossbody, or just wear it shorter over the shoulder. That's how I like to wear it. And it also has a zipper on the back here, so if you have anything that you want to put there, you can put it in there. And I absolutely love this little bow detail here. I think it's so precious and just looks adorable. I have to say, this is actually quite heavy because I have it loaded full of stuff. It's from the brand Eco Susie, and it's called the Women's Messenger Bag Briefcase 5.6-inch laptop satchel handbag. So this one's about $46, and you guys, it's worth every penny. I love it. So it actually has these little snaps here that lock into the bag, and then whenever you want to open it, you just press those buttons, and then you've got all your space in here. So what I love is there's like a little section here where it's sandwiched with cushion, and it has an elastic strap here to where you can strap your laptop in, which I love because then I know my laptop's not flopping around everywhere, which is the problem I had with my last laptop case. So this one, I can fit so much stuff in it, and honestly I love it so much. So I would highly recommend this bag if you are looking for something very like cute and chic and girly, but also very functional too. I love this bag. It's absolutely perfect, and I hope they have this because I would totally repurchase this, you know, over and over and over. But once this one like starts to wear down or anything like that, like I want to buy backups of this bag because I love it that much. They have it in black, a light brown, a dark brown, and then this beautiful baby pink color. And next, going along with that, I have my wireless computer mouse. Of course, it is the same perfect shade of baby pink. I love this so much because it is a wireless mouse, and then it also has like a super tiny USB like little receiver button. So I love that it's so small because my last mouse had like this huge dongle that like stuck out of my laptop, and it was annoying, but this one's so tiny, so low profile. I love it so much, and this was only like $12 to $13. And the coolest part is whenever it's on, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it has like little RGB glow lights in here, little LED, and you can like switch the colors and everything. It's so much fun. I love it. $12, perfect. And they have so many different colors of this mouse too. Like if you just want like a plain black, they've got it, but they have so many different like pretty pastel gradient colors. So good, and I love it. Okay, my next favorite is a 2-in-1, and this is my Kindle and the cover that I bought for it. So I used to have a Kindle way back in high school, like 10 years ago, and I read so much growing up, like physical copybooks. And when I got to high school, I really got into reading ebooks and things like that, and I swear just having your books in a digital format like this is so easy. I have read 3 books on my Kindle since I have got this about a month and a half ago. I haven't read 3 books in like the last 7 years. I love having an ebook reader like this, and especially this version. This is like the latest Kindle. The one I had way back in the day was so old looking, and unfortunately I broke that one forever ago, and I just really never got back into reading. But I love this so much because number one, you can have it with the backlight off, and it's just like the original Kindles, or there's also an option to where you can turn on the backlight if you're reading at night or in bright sunlight or something like that. So I love the versatility of it. And I got the white version. I thought it was just very cute and girly, and surprisingly the white version was a little bit less expensive than the black one, so I was like, sure, why not? And then I got this beautiful case to go with it. The case I think was probably like $16 maybe? $17.99, but not bad for a case, and it's like this really soft like like faux leather soft touch type of packaging. I love it, just keeps it safe and beautiful. And you guys, I am so glad I am back to reading. I was like the type of person to read like a book a week, and I just miss like really reading and stuff, and since being out of school, like it's just fallen to the wayside. This has definitely like brought me back to reading, and I love it so much. Okay, my next favorite is an accessory item for electronics, and this was for my Nintendo Switch Lite. So I have this really cute coral one, but what I didn't like was that just the screen was always exposed, and I didn't want to get a case where like you had to like zip it up and put it away. I just wanted something quick and easy, and I searched and I found this, and it's so perfect. So it is exactly the same color, and it just like magnetizes onto the back like that, and it is a little hard shell cover that goes on your Switch. Exact same color, it's perfect. This one, let me see how much it was. I paid $16.99 for it, and it's exactly what I want because you can detach it in like a second, and you can play if you don't want it like dangling off or whatever, but then you don't have to like actually put this away and zip it up and put it into a pouch or something like that, because to me, honestly, that's just like too much work and annoying. So this is so perfect, and I love it. The only thing, I wish they would have done like a baby pink Switch, because as much as the coral is very cute and everything, I would have loved a baby pink Switch. But this is totally a game changer, literally, pun intended. Okay, and then the thing I got is a headset. I love this for whenever I am on my computer editing, because you can hear so much more through headphones than just through your computer speaker. So I number one love it for editing. It just makes it so much easier for me to like really hear the detail of stuff, and I have to say it is adorable, but it's also good for gaming. I think it's actually like for gaming, so it has a built-in microphone and everything like that, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the headphone looks like. It's so cute. It does have the little built-in microphone. I don't really use it that often, but I like to know that it's there. It has these super comfortable like ear cups that are very, very comfortable, and whenever you have these on, even like right now when I'm talking, like it's kind of hard to hear what I'm saying. They're not exactly noise canceling, but they're definitely going to suppress a lot of noise around you, and I just love it so much because they're cute, adorable, and they're pink. And why buy something in a boring color if you could have it in pink? That's like kind of my motto in life, and I love these so much. They're also very comfortable to wear for a long period of time as well. They don't give me headaches, and this just makes editing so much better. So these are adorable. They also have the same cute like RGB light up color, like matching the mouse. Okay, so my next favorite, this might be a little bit of a weird one, but honestly, like once you have these and you use them, you're like, wow, why have I not had this my entire life? So these are basically like beauty spatulas, and I have 3 of them here. I think it came in a set of like maybe like 9, but I've got 3 different sizes here. So what these are, they're little silicone spatulas that you can use to get beauty products out of their bottles, and this has come in so handy. I am a big fan of Bath & Body Works lotions, but you know, once you use them up, you can't get the lotion out of it. But if you cut off the top and you use these, there is so much lotion left in your products, and if you're just throwing it away, you're throwing away like a really good amount of product that you could have been using. So these are perfect for scooping out the lotion and using it up. You can use it for like foundation bottles or hair products, like anything, like any type of bottle that you have problem of getting everything out of it. This has solved it, and it's so amazing. So this was a set of 9. It came with 3 of the long ones. So if you have like a really tall like shampoo bottle or something that you just can't get things out of, or whatever it may be. I don't have the medium one with me, but it did come with 3 of the large ones, 3 of the mediums, and then this is the small one. So if you have like a foundation bottle or something not as large, these are perfect for it, and I cannot live without them. Okay, my next favorite is definitely one that was really sought after for a while, and it seems like they would pop up on Amazon, disappear, pop up, disappear. Finally got my hands on one, and this is one of the kind of like faux Louis Vuitton looking makeup bags. I have to say I am so glad that I got this. I think they're a little bit easier to find now, but when I got this probably, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago, maybe not quite 6 months, but somewhere around there, it was like there and gone. So hopefully I can try to link to this one or to a couple other ones. It does look just like the Louis Vuitton ones. I think it's so cute, so adorable. It does have some dividers in here. I'm not gonna open it up because I have this thing packed full of makeup. It holds a lot, and it comes with the little dividers that you can like pop out and rearrange and really kind of customize how you want your makeup storage organized, because if you're not a person who just like throws it all in, then this is a really good one, because you can kind of like neatly organize and like divide out the products that you want to have in the makeup carrier, which is so good. And it even has a spot to hold your makeup brushes in the top flap there, and it has a little flap over so it keeps the makeup brushes from getting damaged, which is awesome. So I really love this makeup case so much, and again, it's kind of one of those things I want to get a backup of, because if I were to ever like ruin this or like mess it up or break it or whatever, I would need like a replacement like immediately. So definitely one of my top favorites from this video. My next favorite is a very functional and reasonable product, and that is my water bottle. And you guys, water is so important, and I was one of those people, I never drank water until like I quit drinking sodas like 4 years ago, I think. Yeah, 4 years ago, and I haven't gone back to drinking soda since. And one of the biggest things that really makes a big difference for me with drinking water, and I'm definitely not even one of those people that are like, oh, I just hate water, I don't like it. No, I love water. Like, what do you mean you don't like water? That is weird to me now. Coming from a person that used to drink like 6 Diet Cokes a day, I'm not joking, but seriously, having a good water bottle is like the #1 thing that will motivate you to drink more water. And this is my favorite of all time. I have bought this for my boyfriend. I have bought this for gifts for other people as well. Like, this is my favorite of all time. So this is from the brand Simple Modern, and this is the larger one. I originally had a smaller, it might have been like a 40 ounce, or no, it's even smaller. Either way, this one is the 40 ounce. This one is in the color Sweet Taffy, I think it's what it's called, and it's like a baby pink to a baby blue kind of fade. I think they actually have a version now where the lid is the same baby pink color, and I think I want to try to order that because it would look so cute having that. Yeah, this is the best one ever. #1, it's so large. It's insulated, so it keeps your drink cold for hours. I mean, like, seriously, like, I will go to bed and the next morning I still have like solid ice in here, so it keeps its temperature very good, which for me, to drink a lot of water, it has to be cold water, like ice cold water, and I will drink it all day long. I don't like warm water, lukewarm water, room temperature water. No, it has to be ice cold for me, and this keeps it so cold forever. The other thing I like about it, it has a built-in straw in here, so you can see there is a little straw there, and it has a little spout here that flips up and down. So convenient. I like that a lot, because I don't like the ones that you have to like flip open a whole thing and then like dunk it back. Like, I don't like those either. This one, you can actually just hold it like this and drink out of like that. You don't have to tilt it back. You don't have to like unscrew it. Those just annoying. Too much time for me. So this one, perfect. Just flip, done. Put it down, done. And this is my key to drinking water. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Best one ever. Simple Modern. They have so many different colors, so many different styles, but honestly, this is the one for me. Okay, my next favorite is a belt, and this was actually a 2-pack. I don't have both of them with me right now, but they look the same. So I love this because it looks like this, and it looks like those like Gucci belts, I guess, from a few years back that were really in. This one came with obviously the brown one, and then it also had a black version too. The brown one is definitely my favorite. It's my go-to favorite belt. I love wearing this with like little sundresses and just cinching it in. It's so cute, it's so adorable, and I love it a lot. Like, honestly, I love it. I don't even care that it like is supposed to look like a Gucci belt or whatever. Like, I just genuinely like it for what it looks like, and it was so affordable. It's my favorite belt for any like casual dress that I want to wear. It just looks so adorable and cinches you in. It's comfortable, doesn't dig into you. I love it, and I love that it came in a 2-pack too. Okay, so that was everything from my Amazon haul. Like I said, not everything was pink, but a good amount of it was. But I will have everything linked below if you guys want to purchase any of them for yourself. I do have an Amazon storefront where I earn commission from, so if you would like to shop from me, I do earn a little bit of commission from any sale. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what are your favorites to shop for on Amazon. I used to be one of those people that I wouldn't really buy like just your regular everyday stuff. Like, it was very specialized stuff that I would buy on Amazon, but lately they've just had so much stuff I really kind of can't help myself, and I always seem to like always be buying a lot on Amazon. So let me know what you think about my Amazon finds, and let me know if you guys have anything that I just have to try or check out. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.